India's Minister for Railways, Electronics and Information Technology, Ashwini Vaishnav, on Saturday inspected the work being done to develop a Hyperloop pod in the southern Indian city of Chennai. The Hyperloop pod is a pressurized vehicle designed to travel at a high speeds within low-pressure tube, utilizing magnetic levitation and propulsion to minimize friction and air resistance. IIT Madras has successfully developed a prototype Hyperloop pod that would take way less time to travel. The project is supported by India's Ministry of Railways. DD India Jai Singh has filed this report from Chennai.
India's Minister of Railways, Communications and Information Technology, Ashwini Vaishnav, has expressed satisfaction over the pace of development of the emerging fastest transportation technology called Hyperloop at IIT Madras. The minister visited the Discovery campus of the IIT in the southern Indian city of Chennai on Saturday and witnessed the demonstration of the subscale prototype of the pod of the Hyperloop named as Garud Vahan. Addressing the media, the minister assured the team of the young developers of the Hyperloop prototype that the integral coach factory in Chennai under the Ministry of Railways will give all assistance for the development of the electronic systems and subsystems as well as software for the Hyperloop.
Let's be very, very focused on the quality, focused on safety, focused on how do we scale up this entire experiment once we do the prototypes and everything. So keep that ultimate goal in mind. Try to be as much out of the lab as you can.
Earlier, speaking to DD India, IIT Madras director said the Hyperloop track established within the campus is the longest in Asia. He expressed hope that in 5 years the technology will take a final shape and will be ready for commercial use in the country.
What you see here is the 420-meter track that we have. Here only we conducted the international competition, the first of its kind in Asia. Railways had already supported us with close to 20 crores and another $1 million is announced by the Honorable Minister. And I hope we will really come up with something very explorative and very important for our next generation transportation.
Professor Satya R. Chakravarti, who guided a team of over 60 young engineering students of the institute in developing the Hyperloop, told DD India that the deep tech-based transport mode can reach up to 600 km per hour once it comes to an operational stage. He also said the technology will have several spin-off in areas like freight movement at a faster pace.
The original goal was to actually participate in the competition that Elon Musk was running, but we wanted to actually move the competition here, and for that reason we wanted to decide to build the entire vacuum tube here itself. So to that end we have actually been working towards the stage 1 where we will demonstrate a subscale vacuum tube that we are seeing in the background of this and a pod run in the vacuum. So in the next 2 to 3 months we should actually completely demonstrate a levitating pod run in the vacuum tube. That's what we are working on.
The young engineers and students who were involved in the Hyperloop later explained its modalities to Union Minister. Hyperloop is an emerging deep tech-based technology that has promising potential in highly reducing travel time, almost at par with the civil aviation sector. The technology is now at the nascent stage, and once it reaches its commercial phase, India will be one of the custodians of the prestigious technology. Jai Singh for DD India in Chennai.